If you want to improve your page speed, here are some suggestions to get you started. Make sure that your website is accessible across different devices. If you are getting a really slow page load time, make sure that your website is responsive. This means that your content will automatically resize and adapt to suit different screen sizes. This is an important element for people who are using different devices to view your site. We will know how can you improve your website page speed. So watch the video till the end. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like the video and subscribe our channel. If you have been using WordPress for some time, you must have noticed that the loading speed of the website has been gradually improving over the years. But you can also improve your loading speed by following a few simple tips and techniques. Optimize your images. Image editing software allows you to resize, sharpen and adjust the color and contrast of your image. Make sure to check all the boxes when you use this program to upload your images. This will ensure that the file size of your image is minimized. Secondly, reduce the file size of your images. Image optimization can be done using third-party software. This software allows you to remove unnecessary parts from your images and compress them so that they can be loaded faster. You should select the right type of compression that will optimize your images. Enable caching. There are several reasons why you should enable caching on your website. The main reason is to speed up your site. If you enable caching, your visitors will not have to wait for your site to load every time they visit your site. So, if you are planning to increase the number of visitors, make sure to enable caching on your website. Think mobile first. If your website isn't mobile friendly, you could lose lots of potential business. People who use mobile phones to surf the web are the most popular web users nowadays. Mobile internet browsing is growing rapidly, and by 2021, it is estimated that 69% of all web traffic will be from smartphones and tablets. Therefore, making sure your site is mobile friendly is a must. Update plugins. If your site loads slowly, you may have too many plugins on your site. Many plugins use resources like images and JavaScript, which can slow down your site. If you have a lot of plugins, you might need to delete some. In addition, you may want to consider removing plugins you aren't using. This is a good way to make your site faster. Make sure to back up any data that you are going to delete before you do it. You can also try disabling unused plugins. There are several plugins that can do this. Look for suitable hosting. When you are looking for the best hosting services for your website, you need to consider many factors. You must choose a web host that will be able to offer you quality service and support at an affordable price. There are many factors that you need to take into account when you are choosing a hosting service. For example, you should choose one that offers high-speed data transfer, multiple domain names, and other features that will help you run your business effectively and efficiently. So, today we know how can you improve your website page speed. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.